Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial of how I got this colorful look here. I did use the Crayon Case Box of Crayons palette to create this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by sculpting my brows, and I'm just using concealer for this, you guys. And just a flat concealer brush, and basically it's just cleaning up my brows and giving it a nice shape. Then I'm going in with the eye base from the Crayon Case, which this stuff is pretty good, you guys. And then just blending it out with a fluffy blending brush and using my airspun powder just to set it. Going in with the color Magenta, I'm blending that in the crease. And then I'm going in with the color Pink and blending out Magenta. And now I'm using the color Deep Plum, and I'm using that to add a little bit of depth to the look. Now, a lot of people have been asking about the quality of the Crayon Case shadows, and it's decent. As you notice, I have to keep packing it on because it's not the best, but it's decent for the price. So now I'm just going back in with that same eyeshadow base from the Crayon Case and just applying that to my mobile lid area. And that's just going to prep the eye for my next color, help it stand out a little bit more boldly and clean it up a little bit. So now I'm going in with the color Orange, and I'm going to pack that on my lid. Using Morphe's gel liner in the color Jet, I'm going to create a winged line. Now I'm using Socialite Mink lashes, you guys, in the style After Party. And I'm going to put the link to the description box so you guys can sign up to be notified when the lashes launch. Now I'm using that same color Deep Plum just to blend out my bottom waterline, and then going in with Magenta to blend out Plum. And I'm using the Makeup Shayla Maybelline Collaboration Mascara just to blend it in. And then going in with my Laura Mercier powder just to set my entire face. And this one is in medium deep. Using my Maybelline Fit Me powder just to do a little bronzing or contouring. Now I'm taking the Honor Roll highlighter from the Crayon Case. I've been using this so much lately. This is like my new go-to highlighter. And now I'm using Milani blush in Rose de Oro. Milani has some amazing blushes, you guys. And then I'm taking the liquid lipstick from MAC. I'm going to put the name in the description box, you guys. And I'm using it sort of like a liner. And then I'm going in with the Milani liquid lipstick in the color Adorable. And then a Buxom gloss in Russian white. And that's the look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll have the link in the description box for you to get notified when the lashes launch. And until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.